Rồi đó, mở to lên.
Hi, Chi. Good evening. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
How are you today, Chi? How are you?
Good.
Are you happy or sad? Good. Okay. Can you tell teacher what day is today? What day is today?
Is
Today is
Today is
Sunday.
Sunday.
Yes, today is Sunday.
Sunday.
Yes, Sunday. Okay. Are you ready with our lesson for today? Are you ready? Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! You know? Okay. So,
No.
okay. So, lesson 3 story. Lesson 3 story. Come on, you read, G.
I don't know.
Lesson 3
Lesson 3.
story.
Sorry. Look and listen. Along.
Okay, very good. Look and listen. Read along.
Hi,
44.
Danny.
Lesson
Hello,
3.
Shuli.
Story.
Hello,
A.
Danny.
Look,
Hi,
please
Mike.
help me.
Hello, Julie. Hi,
Hello,
Danny.
Shuli. Hi, Danny.
Hello, Danny. Hi,
Hello,
Mike.
Danny. Hi, Mike.
Please help me. Sure.
Me? Sure.
Thank you, Danny.
Thank you, Danny.
Okay, very good. Yes, so it's your turn, Chi. You are going to read this one. Okay, please read.
Please
Help.
help me.
Very
Hi.
good.
Hello, Shuli. Hi, Danny. Hello, Danny. Hi, Mike.
Very good.
Me. Sure. Thank you, Danny.
Wow, very good. Hello, Jolie. Hello, Mike. Hello,
Tisha.
Danny. Hi,
My
Mike.
Shuli
Yeah,
and Danny. Okay?
yeah, yes. Please help me. Sure. Thank you, Danny.
Tisha.
Okay, very good,
Hello,
Chi. Okay.
Shuli.
Yeah. Hello, Chi.
I'm Shuli. I'm Shuli.
Okay. Hello, Julie.
Hi, Danny.
Hello, Hi, Mike.
Hello, Danny.
Please help me.
Okay, Tisha.
Please help
Hi.
me.
My Emma, Julie, and you, Mike
Yeah.
and Danny. Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Hi,
Hi. Hi, Dan. Hi, Emma.
Julie.
Hi, Julie.
Hi, Danny. Hello, Julie.
I'm sorry. Hello, Jolly.
Hi, Danny.
Hi, Mike. Hello,
You are
Jenny.
Mike and
Hello,
Danny.
Danny. Hello, Danny.
Tisha.
Hello, Danny. Done.
You, Mike and Danny. I'm Danny. I'm Julie and Mike.
Okay. Hello, Jolly.
Hi, Danny.
Hi, Mike. Please help me. Uh, please
Tisha,
help me.
Tisha. I'm one, you two, I'm three, you four. Okay?
Okay. Hello, Julie.
Hi, teacher. Nani. Hello, Julie. Hi,
Hi.
Paige.
That is mine. Okay, you
Sorry.
start first. You first. You first. You first, Chi.
Hello, Julie.
Hi,
Hi,
Danny. Hi, Danny.
Teacher. Teacher, you, Danny, and I.
Okay, we're done with that, Chi. Okay, we're done. Okay, so this time we are going to read letter B. Yeah.
Page 45. B. Sing. Help.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Help.
Uh-oh. Help!
Help.
Uh-oh. 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 Help!
Help.
Please help
Help me. Whoa, whoa,
Whoa,
whoa,
whoa,
whoa,
whoa. Help!
whoa, whoa,
Whoa,
whoa,
whoa, whoa, whoa. Help!
whoa, whoa, whoa,
Whoa,
whoa,
whoa, whoa, whoa.
Please help me.
Sure.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Soda.
Okay, can you sing it? See? Can you?
Soda. Thank you.
Wow, very good. Okay, so let's
Say.
read it on. You read?
Teacher. Say. Teacher. Say. Happy. Oh, oh,
Oh,
oh.
oh, 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 oh,
Me.
help. Please help me.
Teacher. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Happy.
Yeah, very good.
Happy. Wah, wah, wah.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. Help.
Please
Help me.
help me. Please help me.
Please help me. Sure.
Sure. Very. Thank you. Okay, very good. Good job, Chi. Okay, very good. Okay, you did well, Chi. Thank you.
Say
Okay,
and act.
say and act.
Say and act.
Yeah, okay, here.
Help
Please,
me.
again, please
Please
help me.
help me.
Okay, very good.
Sure.
Sure. Okay, this one here.
Please help me.
Okay, very good. Please help me.
Please help me.
Please help me. Sure.
Sure. Teacher.
Yeah, what is it, Chi?
Please help me.
Sure, sure. Okay, I will give you candy. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? I will give you
I'm
candy.
gonna hungry.
You're not hungry. Say, I'm not hungry.
I'm not hungry.
Yeah, okay. Okay, good job, Chi. So we are going to proceed to our next lesson. Okay? You did well. Very good. Okay, so this time we are going to learn phonics. Yeah, the ABC, the alphabets. Okay, lesson 4. Come on, you read. Lesson 4, phonics.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I everything.
Everybody sing with me. ABC.
Everybody sing with me. A
Yeah.
B C D E F G.
Okay, so this evening, Chi, we are going to learn these letters, okay? What letter is this?
Please stay and sing.
Say and sing, okay? What letter is this?
Oh, P.
Yeah, very good. So we are going to learn letter N, letter O, and letter P. Okay, very good, Chi.
P.
Yeah, N, O, P. We are going to learn letters N, O, and P. Okay?
Oh, teacher.
Yeah?
It's, N-N-N-O-P.
Yeah, N-O-P.
Page
Teacher.
46.
Yeah.
B. Listen, point, and say.
Say.
1,
N.
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 Nose.
Nose.
2,
2.
O.
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 Orange.
Orange.
3,
3.
P.
P.
Pencil.
Pencil. Okay, so this time, Chi, it's your turn, okay? So it's your turn. Yeah, can you
No.
tell teacher what letter is this? Letter?
No. No.
Okay, what letter first? Letter?
N.
Sound of letter N is? What is the
N.
sound? Sound. Mm.
Mm.
This one?
Nose.
Very good. Number 2, what letter?
Orange.
Yeah, what letter first? Number 2. Letter?
O.
Sound. What is the sound of letter O? Sound. O. Okay, very good. O.
O.
Yeah, this one here, what is this?
Orange.
Orange. Very good. Number 3. Letter.
P.
P. What is the sound of letter P? Okay.
Pencil.
Pencil. Yeah, very good. Very good. Good job, Chi. Very good. Okay, so let's move on to letter C. You're
See?
writing. Okay, you're writing. Okay, you're right. Come on, you write.
Teacher.
Yeah, I see it. You're right. Come on.
A C.
Yeah, you write the letter N. You're right. Trace. Trace the letters. Come on.
Teacher. Okay. Teacher, oh no. Oh no.
Come on, make it fast, Chi.
Okay. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Are you done? Come on, make it fast. Make it fast, Chi. Trace the letters.
Teacher.
Okay, come on, you're right here instead. You're right here.
Now.
Make it big. Come on. Come on.
Oh no.
Yeah, that is correct. That is correct. Nah. Oh no, Chi. Come on, make it fast.
Yeah.
Come on, come on. Make it fast.
Okay.
Okay, that is correct. Very good. Yeah, very good. Number 2, Chi. I know.
No.
Again, okay, so let's move on to letter C, Chi, okay? Chi, let's move on to letter C. Our time is ticking. Okay, time is ticking. Okay, I'm sorry. Time is ticking, okay? Time is ticking. Okay, come on, let's answer letter C. Come on. Come on, you read letter C, Chi. Come on, Chi. Letter C. Look and find. Come on. Come on, letter C. Okay, can you circle letter O? Can you find letter O? Find the letter O, Chi.
Okay.
Okay. Letter O. You find letter O. Come on, make it fast. Okay, very good. Here, let's move here to letter C. Come on. We are going to answer letter C. Come on, make it fast. Okay, letter C. You read letter C?
Look and find.
Yeah, look.
Teacher,
Yeah.
I don't know.
Huh?
I
You
don't
don't know?
Yeah.
Which one?
Huh, teacher?
Yeah, which one you don't know?
I don't know. Camera.
Camera? This one? You don't know this one?
No, teacher.
It's an
I see a bird. I don't know. It's
octopus. That
teacher.
is,
I don't know.
that is octopus. Ah, that one. Okay, wait.
Octopus.
Here.
Okay. Teacher.
Yeah, can you find orange? You circle orange. Letter O, orange. How about octopus? Octopus.
What?
Okay, very good. That is correct. That is correct. How about?
What? It's 2P.
Huh?
It's 2P.
Yeah, that is this big letter P and small letter P. How about? Yeah, how about pencil? Pencil. Pencil. You circle pencils.
Is and is.
Okay, where are the pencils? You circle pencils. Okay, very good. Yeah, you're correct. Very good. How about nose? Nose.
Teacher, it's paper.
Yeah, on paper also. Paper. Okay, very good. Very good. Good job, too.
No.
Yeah, very good.
Teacher,
Very
it's
good.
many paper.
Yeah, very good. Okay, good job, Chi, okay? All of your answers are correct. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Okay, so we are going to move here. Okay? So letter D. Come on, let's read letter D. You read first. Let us read first. Make. Come on, you read.
The
Make
make the
letters
letter N O N P.
very good. Make the letters N, O, and P. Very good. Okay, so number one, what letter is this? Number one?
N.
Huh? That is
N.
letter N. Okay, that's difficult.
N. P O. No O.
Big P. Small P. Wow, very good. Okay, so what letter is this? Letter?
N.
Yeah.
O. P.
Okay, so this one is big P, big letter P,
N. Small N.
big N, I'm sorry, big letter P, and big, this one,
O.
big
Big
O,
O. And
and
small O.
very good. And this one here,
P. Big P.
and
Small P.
yeah, very good. Good job, okay? Very good. You did well. Very good. Let's do the clock. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Very good. Very good. Come on.
Two, three, one, two, three. Very good. Very good.
Very good. Okay. What did you learn today, Chi? What did you learn today?
I learned to
I learned
learn
what? What did you learn? Our lesson. What is our lesson? Letters?
P. O.
N-O-P. Okay, very good. How about hi, Julie?
Hi, Julie. Hi, Dandy. Hi, Danny. Hi, Mike.
Please.
Please help me. Oh,
Sure.
shoes. Shoes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. What is the sound of letter P? The sound of letter P is? What's the sound of letter P?
Big B and small B.
Yeah, the sound is? What's the sound? Pencil.
Pencil.
How about letter O? Sound of letter O is?
Oh. Ah.
Orange.
Orange.
How about letter N?
And.
Hmm?
Nose.
Nose. Okay, very good. Good job for tonight, Chioka.
Tasha.
Yeah.
For you. It's all for you.
Oh, thank you. Wow.
I love you.
Labubu. I don't have one, Chi. I don't have one. Give me that. Give me. Give the teacher. Thank you.
Tasha. It's all to Labubu. Wow, it's Labubu.
Yeah, little one. Small one.
Tasha. It's a capybara.
Wow, what's that one, Chi?
Oh, book capybara.
Wow, who gave you that one? Who gave you that one? Mommy, your mommy?
It's a
Pen.
pen.
Yeah, pens.
Wow.
Wow, what's that? Sticker? Sticker?
No. No.
What's that one? Card? Is that a card?
It's a paper.
Hmm.
What is it?
Ah, hair clip. Hair clip.
Oh, it's a capybara. What is this? Wow.
Wow. That is
Teacher.
cute. It's cute. Who give you that one? Your mommy or your daddy? Your mommy.
Oh, mommy give for me.
Ah, wow. Wow, very nice. Did you say thank you to your mommy? Did you say thank you, mommy? Hmm?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay.
Teacher,
Yeah.
is a friend. Is a friend. Give me.
Ah, your friend give you that one. Ah. Wow.
Teacher,
Yeah.
is a sister. Give me.
Teacher, your teacher? Wow.
Down.
Ah,
Sister.
sister, your sister? Ah,
Yeah.
wow.
Give me.
Yeah, very cute.
I like it.
Wow, you like it? Wow, very good.
Teacher. Teacher. And mm, um, it's a sister.
Oh, yeah. Very good, Chioke. You did well.
Teacher.
Yeah?
I like it.
Which one?
It's sticker.
Ah, that is stickers. Okay. Chi, the classroom will end in a second, okay? So, yeah. Good job for tonight,
Father,
Chioke.
it's give me.
Yeah, your father, your daddy,
Mother.
mother, your mommy. Okay.
Pizza.
See, the classroom will end. It will end
Pizza.
now. Okay.
It's a father. Give me.
Ah, your father. Wow, that's beautiful.
Oh,
That's beautiful. Wow. Can I get that one? Can I have that?
for you.
Thank you. Merry Christmas, Chi. Merry Christmas.
Father. Pizza. It's a father. Give for me.
Yeah, I say my father give.
My father. Give for me.
Okay. Yes. Chi, there.
Beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful. Okay, teacher will say bye-bye now, Chi. See you next week.
Pizza.
Come on. Teacher will eat.
Eat.
Yeah, I will eat.
Pizza.
Yeah. What's that one?
Oh, pencil.
Yeah, that's pencil. Okay.
House.
Nose, yeah.
It's a
Mouth,
mouth.
yeah.
Yeah, pizza.
Yeah, what is it?
It's a pen. Beautiful pen. This is beautiful pen.
Yeah. Pen. Beautiful pen.
Oh, a beautiful.
Yeah. Okay,
I
Chi.
like it.
Chi, teacher will say bye-bye now, okay? See you next week.
Pizza.
Come on.
Pizza.
Come on. Teacher will say bye-bye.
for you.
Thank you. Thank you, Chi. Okay, say bye to teacher. Come on. Bye to teacher.
Oh,
Bye.
teacher.